Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's tutorial, I'm showing you how to use Telegram even if it's restricted or blocked in your region, and you won't need a VPN. By the end of this video, you'll know how to unlock Telegram using its built-in proxy settings. This simple trick routes only your Telegram traffic through an intermediary server, getting around local restrictions without affecting the rest of your internet connection. Let's dive in and I'll walk you through every step. First things first, before you start changing anything in Telegram, you'll need the details for a proxy server. Think of a proxy as a middleman that Telegram can use to talk to the outside world when local internet doors are closed. You'll need the server address or IP, the right port number, and sometimes a secret key if you're going for the MTProto method. For SOCKS5 proxies, you might need a username and password, but often those are optional. How do you get this info? The simplest way is to search inside Telegram itself. There are dedicated channels that regularly share fresh, working proxy servers, often for free. If you want a more stable or private experience, you can always look into paid proxy services, which may be a smart pick if you plan on using Telegram for sensitive communication or business. Once you've got your proxy details, open the Telegram desktop app. This method works on Windows, Mac OS, or Linux, so no matter your computer setup, you'll be able to follow along. Look up to the top left corner for the three horizontal lines. Looks a little like a hamburger menu, and give that a click. That will open the main menu. Next, hit Settings. You'll see a bunch of options here, but what we want is Advanced. This section holds all the magic for customizing how Telegram connects to the internet. Scroll down until you see Connection Type. Don't worry if it takes a few seconds to find. It's tucked away beneath other settings. Now click on Use Custom Proxy or Add Proxy. The wording might vary a tiny bit depending on your version, but the process is the same. Here, where you'll enter your proxy info. Telegram will ask you to pick which type you're using, SOCKS5, HTTP, or MTProto. Pick the one that matches the details you've gathered. For example, MTProto is Telegram's own protocol designed specifically for speed and privacy, but SOCKS5 and HTTP are also common and work just fine. Enter the server address, port, and any credentials or secret as required. Take your time here, double-check what you're typing to avoid frustrating typos. Click Save or sometimes Connect. Telegram takes it from here. If the proxy is up and running, your Telegram traffic will neatly sidestep your local restrictions. The best part is, only Telegram uses this proxy, so the rest of your device's internet activity remains untouched, which means you keep normal speeds for everything else. This setup is a great solution for staying connected, maintaining privacy, and bypassing blocks, even if a full VPN isn't available or just isn't practical for you. Remember, proxies can occasionally go offline, so if things stop working, simply look for an updated listing and swap in new details. That's it, you're now equipped to use Telegram without a VPN. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please don't forget to like the video. If you have any questions about proxies or if you run into trouble, drop a comment below and I'll do my best to help you out. And for more smart tech tutorials like this, make sure to subscribe for future updates. Thanks for watching and happy chatting on Telegram.